My name is Lakshay V. Dabas and I'm here to present the annual report on Williams Grand Prix Holdings PLC. I'll be presenting the presentation on behalf of the directors of the company. You are not a director? Okay. Williams Grand Prix Holdings PLC is the holding company for Williams Grand Prix Engineering Limited as well as a number of trustee or dormant companies. The company is listed on the open market of the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. The group comprises of Formula One racing team and an advanced engineering business. The group is based in Oxfordshire on a 33-hectare site which is up for the group's research activity. The group's core competencies are the design and manufacture of the entry of race cars in Formula One racing. So we have a very decorated history in the Formula One business. We have won 9 constructors championship, that is the manufacturers championship, and we have 7 Formula One world champions, driver world champions, and we also had the great Ayrton Senna drive for us in the 1994 season. Next. So now coming to the business aspect of our company, the results for the 2004 year has been little bit unrepresentative of the actual on-track performance of the company. We have incurred a loss of.
I'll see anybody talking, I will deduct your marks.
We have incurred a loss of 39 million sterling pounds as compared to the 14 million sterling pounds profit in the 2013 annual year. So our total profit after the government has kindly exempted us from the tax because of our losses. So the gross total loss of our period is 34,481,198 pounds, and the depreciation of our shares is 391.18 pence, not pounds. So why have we incurred losses in the 2014 season even after performing well as compared to the 2013 season? Next.
Why you have incurred losses?
Next. We have announced that no dividend would be paid in the 2014 financial year.
My question is why you have incurred losses?
Yes. Next. So let's go through the balance sheet as well first. And as you can see, our net assets have decreased over the financial year of 2014. That is mainly due to the losses incurred in the 2014 season. And our debt has also increased. Now, why have we incurred so much losses? We have to analyze the situation. The net cash flow in the period and the debt is 26.5 million pounds on the 31st December. The cash outflow was predominantly due to the operating loss in the period. We also discontinued our operations in Qatar, where our company Williams Hybrid Power Limited has been sold to the GKN Land Systems Limited. But our innovative technology that we invented has the flywheel technology that we have patented would give us dividends for the future 10 years. Now, the loss for the 2014 season has been very unrepresentative of our performance. That is because in 2013 we had a sponsorship from Pastor Maldonado, who was our prime main driver in 2013 season. He brought a personal sponsorship to our team. So in the 2014 season we replaced him with Felipe Massa, who does not bring along a sponsorship, but the main thing is he's a much better driver than Maldonado. The costs have increased because of the technical regulations have been changed from a 2.4 V8 liter, which had been in production for since the 2006 season, and for the last 9 years, they were the bread and butter of Formula One. Now, the Formula One has shifted to a very green hybrid 1.6 liter turbocharged V6 engines. So, this power unit, since it's a new technology, has increased the costs. Also, our 2013 season on-track performance was very below par, you can say. So, as a turnaround strategy, an investment was made in the second half of 2013. We made more expenses, more investment in our technology and personnel. We brought in new personnel, we brought in new drivers, we brought in new advanced machines to focus on the 2014 season. So our expenses increased in the second half of 2013 as well as going into the 2014 year. Also in 2014, our Williams Advanced Engineering one-time investment was also made. That is also one of the reasons for our more expenses in the 2014 year. Now, 2014 was a transformational year for the Formula One team. We have come back from being ninth in the Constructors' Championship in 2013 to being third in 2014. This is a significant step in the right direction, and this revenue of our 71.2 million, which was in 2013 was 106 million. It actually decreased. It decreased because the revenue of 2014 is given to us by the Formula One working group on the performance of 2013 season. So in 2015 we would be getting much more revenue from the Formula One group because of our performance in 2014 season. This was a very calculated risk we took, and we have been vindicated. The reduction in Formula One revenue is because of the non-recurring sponsorship from the drivers that I already told. The commercial revenues recognized in the periods of the Constructors' Championship are position achieved in 2013. Hence, based on 9th place in the championship, we have been given very less revenue as compared to the 2014 season performance. So, as you can see, this is the, in short, the structure of payment basis in Formula One. So, these are the equal shares. So, the main increase that we would be confirmly getting in 2015 is that this is our 2014 revenue we got from 2013 result. And since Ferrari were third in constructors in 2013 season, so we would be jumping from 21.3 million to 55.5 million dollars. So this is the increase in revenue that has materialized but not been paid yet. These are the comparison of on-track results. We were 9th in the Constructors' Championship, just 5 points. And now in 2014, the revamp has led to a surge in results. We are back amongst the front runners. Now we are third in the Constructors' Championship with multiple podiums for our brilliant drivers, the young and upcoming Valtteri Bottas and the veteran Felipe Massa. So, our decision to overhaul the entire operations has been vindicated. The 2014 season was extremely competitive, and it is also worth noting that the improvement was achieved against the rising background of increasing costs. Also, our budget as compared to the manufacturer teams like Ferrari, Mercedes, and the big teams who have huge sponsorship like Red Bull Racing is almost half, and that is achievement in itself. The leadership structure of the team was completely overhauled. We brought in Pat Simmons, who has also substantially strengthened the team's engineering leadership and overhauled the working process across the technical organization. The appointment of new leadership team coincided with the fundamental revision to Formula One's technical regulations, the new engines and also the new aerodynamic regulations So Williams signed a long-term contract with the leading power unit manufacturer in the 2014 season with Mercedes-Benz AMG HPP for the supply of power units for the coming seasons. And this is a very important deal because if you want to compete in front in Formula One, you need to have a Mercedes-Benz engine right now. The 2014 driver lineup was also overhauled, and we brought in Felipe Massa, the ex-Ferrari driver, who joined our young and talented Valtteri Bottas. So a new strategy was also developed to the latter stages. We were rebranded. We got a new title sponsorship from Martini. So we have been rebranded Williams Martini Racing, and this also gives us more revenue. The performance on track during the season has been accompanied.
Actually, let us the financials.
Yes.
Not of the track performance.
Yes,
So go on the financial statements. Because I understand that of course track performance directly relates to the
Sure,
financials.
yes, sir.
Because
Yeah,
we
that's
understand.
me.
Yeah, that is I think more than sufficient to say that your company has achieved third position than the ninth was in the previous
Yes,
year.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think that will substantially support the performance of your revenues also.
Yes.
Right. Just one question I want to ask.
Sure.
Why you are in losses this year and in the profits last year?
Sir,
And you are saying that you have reached third position from 9.
Yes.
Your financial statement should have shown the profits. What do you think?
Yes.
Sir, the revenue that we get in the 2014 season is given to us on our performance in the 2013 season. Since ninth place doesn't give you that much income, you are left to fend off for yourself. And
Since
since
the previous year's revenue is being realized in the
Yes, sir.
current year.
Yes, sir.
So what the system of accounting you are following?
Sir, we are following the cash system, sir.
Okay, this is not on the accrual system. See,
No, sir.
That's why one more thing that you should have told. You have told that you are doing some patents. So there is something which is IPR in progress. Something is there which is in progress, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is, or you can say that is working capital in IPR or whatsoever the investment which is there. So
Yes.
as because you have not received the patent yet, the investment is there. That's why the losses might be one of the reasons. Because the things which you are doing currently, you are spending currently, and you have not received the balancing from the past year also. So that might be one of the things which is
The patent is already there.
patent is there, but you are again going for you have just not told that you have gone, you will be going for the patent which will be giving you income for next 10 years.
The patent is already there. We have sold the company, so the same company has been brought by GKN Group, and we have a contract with them. We have a deal with them that for the future 10 years, for each and every sale of our flywheel system, we will be getting a dividend from
Okay,
that.
fine. The company
Yes,
has
sir.
already been sold.
Yes,
but
sir.
as they will be using it, and
Yes.
you will be getting the revenues out
Yes,
of
sir.
their use from next 10 years.
Yes.
Any question from your side? Thank you, Lakshmi.